So my neighbour was selling this vintage ladder I just had to buy. I decided to renovate it so my overgrown houseplants would have more room to overgrow. I had a general vision for the project, but I knew without some specific direction this could end up in the abyss of 90s shabby chic. So I got some help from the amazing Resene Colour Shop staff, who not only helped me decide which bits to paint and stain, but the whole process of restoring the native timber to look super gorgeous. Armed with everything I needed, I was ready to work a rousing revamp of the reclaimed relic. So I gave the whole frame a light sand and then sanded the steps with a heavier 80 grit disc, followed by a lighter 180 grit finish. Remember to wipe away dust after sanding. I carefully painted the frame with Resene Quick Dry waterborne primer undercoat. I used to just buy a multi-pack of super cheap plastic paintbrushes, but after using the PAL Legend Ultra Premium brushes, I am totally sold. The 38mm brush is my favourite and the finish is so smooth. The top coat is Lustacryl waterborne enamel semi-gloss paint in Resene Quarter Thorndon cream, and the rustic green on the interior frame is Resene Frontier. Lots more painting, drying, and more painting later, it was time to bring that native timber back to life. We chose Resene Bark wood stain. It adds colour to the timber whilst allowing the natural grain to show through. I painted it on, let it dry, and then applied 2 coats of Resene Aquaclear waterborne urethane varnish in semi-gloss to finish. A few sand, paint, dry repeat cycles later, and bibbidi-bobbidi bing bang bingo, an upcycled old ladder fit for all my trailing plants. Until I buy some more.